Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kuzatu Shazana Syaira binti Abu Hanif. I am from TBA 2443C. Want to present about the article review, which is topic GM's Korea unit suspend production at 2 factories over procurement issues. So, the first one is summary of the article. So, the article is about General Motors South Korean, which has issued to supply auto part. According to the data from the Korean Automobile Manufacturer Association, GM's Korea Changwon and number 2 Bumpyeong plant have a combined annual production capacity of about 70,000 vehicles, accounting for about 30% of the GM Korean total amount production capacity last year. So, according to GM Korean production at the number 1 Bumpyeong plant, which a manufacturer, the Trailblazer apart utilities vehicles, which is SUV, has not been affected. According to the regulatory filings, GM's Korea has suffered 8 consecutive losses since 2014. The next one is issues identification. The issue of the article is that the General Motors South Korean unit has halted production at S2 factories in the country due to the local suppliers refusal to apply auto part. The US automaker's Korean unit have been suspending all vehicle production at its Changwon and number 2 Bumpyeong plant after a local suppliers refused to supply part due to the price increase for its product. Arai AMS, which is a South Korean auto part manufacturer that produces automotive generator, caliper, and brake part, has refused to supply part and has demanded a price increase for part supplies to GM Korean factories. GM Korean has stated that they intend to continue discussion with Arai AMS in order to resolve the issues. The last one is the solution or recommendation of the issues. So, based on the issues above, the solution that must take part to solve this problem inflation toward the procurement activity. The first solution or recommendation is internal risk mitigation. Internal risk mitigation relies heavily on developing flexibility in product or services development or manufacturing. When price arise, company can switch to cheaper raw material or shift product to different geographic location with cost or strategic advantages. They also can stockpile raw material for their business when prices are low and when price rise. Secondly, financial risk strategy, which is head back. Forecast and financial model assess whether presumptions about future price change are still valid, as well as the impact of price increase on business. In the midst of inflationary pressure, this may appear to be too little, too late, but do not assume this. The market remains volatile and it is critical that procurement function understand that they are constantly changing. Financial risk management should be ongoing part of business operation and the closer can get to a real-time adaptation in modeling, the better off will be in a high inflationary period like ours. Thirdly, build supplier relationship. Not all suppliers are created equal. The processing line areas diverse as the number of suppliers and it is matter of the quality over quality. Quality suppliers are those with sufficient expertise and vision to recognize market forces as integral to their own operation and will adapt their strategic roadmap accordingly. Three bottom line are more widespread than we may believe. Work with suppliers who have to know how to adapt their operation to the environment and to collaborate with us on newly established terms as the market requires. Furthermore, do not limit yourself to a specific set of suppliers. There are many local suppliers who can provide great services and possibly even outperform trusted get and can explore their threaten and form new relationship. That's all from me. Thank you.